Hello friends, welcome back. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video I will continue the mini project part 4. I already explained you how to put a panel and few controls into the panel and how to use a grid control. When I click on the edit, whatever the values here, customer ID, the full name is populating into the first name box. Let's work on the second name also in this video. The salary, contact number is coming here, salary is populating in the last field, and male or female is coming, updating here. It's male, so that it's showing male in the option. So before getting into the programming, I'll tell you what we will discuss today. I will add a few control, like add a new customer details, and when I click on edit, it means I need to have some update button also, right? So let's go into the program. First, let me add one control here. Let me open a new tr and td. I will add a button here. Let's name it as btn add customer details. Run at server. Text. Add new customer details. So when I see in the design mode, I can see a button like this. So let's put some space between this button and our row. Let's copy the space, just putting the height between button and that. So let's refresh it. Now we'll see a button called add new customer details. When I click on the button, this panel should open. Okay, that is my target. So just double click on that. By default, in the for the panel we will keep visible false, so that when you run it, the panel won't appear. So when you click on the button, it should appear. So let's open here, like visible equal to true. I'm just putting a panel visible equal to true, so that when I click on add new button, the panel opens here. So if I suddenly open and now I don't want to edit anything, so I need a cancel button, or when I click on the new button, the controls I need to get empty, right? But I am getting the populated fields here. So let's call a function like clear all fields. Here I got let's copy this so that it will be easy with, like what all controls you got. To clearing the radio button, you need selected index as -1, and for the text box you need string dot empty. You also got the second name. Okay, now when you click on the add new customer details, you see the values should go off, like it should be empty, but it's not coming now. Let's refresh it. Oh, I'm not calling this function, sorry. If you write the separate function, so that if you want to call in some other location, you can call. So that's why it's very useful to add functions that the code which is repeating. Okay, so we can add few summary here, like clearing data in the panel, so that when you put onto the function called, you can see the summary there, clearing data in the panel. If you have a bunch of code in your project, like thousands of lines, there is no like if you want to see what function what this function is doing, so we can put on that, and if you click on F12 you can go to the function and you can see the definition. But before that, if you want to see, you can keep your mouse onto the function calling, and you can know what is going on in the function. Okay, so now when I click on the add new customer details, you see the text box all clear. When I click on the edit, you see it's populated. Now when I click on add new customer details, it's gone. So when I click on the edit, if the panel is visible false, you need to reopen it. So let's put that condition also. In edit, I need the panel should be visible. So here in design, I will add few other buttons here. Let's stop the project. I'm just adding three buttons here. I'm just seeing the location where should I add. So let's add after the salary. First let's put a space between the two TRs. In this TR we are having 2, 3, 4. Let's put column span 4. Yes, I'll open a new table so that it won't mess up the design. So we need three images. Let's say image add .NET server visible equal to false. And image URL add. Okay, so I just need one more. Say cancel. In the add button, add image. I'm sorry, it should be image button, so that I need an event also, right? So let's take it as image button. So here I need update. They are visible false. Let's go to the design mode and click on the add. So I got image add update. I didn't name it as update image, but it's coming like image 4. Let's see. It will be easy to understand if you have a naming convention like customer add or customer details add, like that. Image customer cancel. Okay, just copy this whole thing, go to the design source mode, have the code, you just modify it. You can change the ID or you can use the same, but it will be easy to understand, or in future if you have some issues or bug fixing within the production issues, you can easily understand and you can easily modify it. So I got 3 events here. When I click on the cancel, what I told, I need to close the panel. So let's put false, and let's run our program here. So the panel was closed, and when I click on add new customer details, the cancel button should appear here. So let's see why it's not appearing. So it says visual false here, and right now let's leave this add and update. let's go and refresh our code. You see a cancel button. When you click on cancel, the panel is closed. Okay, when you click on the add new customer details, cancel. If you want to edit so that you will see the names here. Got it? So here we will write few steps so that add and update also. I won't show the code in the add and update right in this video. I'll show you how the functionality works, like to show add or update image. In the when I click on the edit, you need to see update. So I will just visible it. And you should not see add here, right? So I just put false. It should be vice versa in some other buttons. Add new. If you want to create a new customer details, you should not see update, right? So let's see how it works now. When I click on the add new customer details, you will see an add and cancel button. When you cancel it and click on edit, you will see an update cancel. So when you change something, you can update by clicking on update button, so that the grid control updates with the correction contact number. Okay, and that's all for the video today. Keep on watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.